Hello everybody, what's up? So we're definitely getting all the snow that the weather's been saying. It's been coming down pretty good all day, and I can't wait to try out the Ford Ranger in it. Should be pretty fun. I mean, we got the four-wheel drive, we got the Pirellis on, and hopefully within the next few weeks or so, I should be getting the Method wheels on, so that should be pretty cool. Alright, y'all, so I made it home after work, and what they were talking about on the news with this whole snowstorm happening, yeah, it's pretty fucking gnarly, man. The roads were shit. You couldn't see nothing, and just before it snowed, it rained, and then it snowed, and covered up all the roads, and on top of that, there's whiteouts happening like crazy. And I drove home on the highway and it's dark, and then you're hitting whiteouts, and it's cold as shit out on top of that. So, all in all, the snowstorm's pretty gnarly, and it's supposed to be going on till Sunday. So we should see how the rest of the week should go. This should be fun.